Hello and welcome to the Elvatech channel. Today we are going to review something special, Jewellery Lab, our XRF analyzer designed for jewelry and precious metals analysis. Let's move on to the most interesting part, unboxing. And let's see what we have inside this box. So first of all, we need to remove this protection cover right over here. And right on top of our cover, we have the special consumables box. All you need for connecting the device and start it to work. Alright, so here we have the device itself and our box with the consumables. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Actually, we have the full set that will help you to connect it and start the work on your device. So first of all, we have the power cord cables that you can connect. It consists of two parts and you can just connect them and then plug into the device. This one. Then we have the special stylus that you can actually work on the device's display. Also, we have the flash drive where you can collect all the analysis data here. Then we have the special connection cables that will help you to connect the device to the computer. And it's actually two of them, and they called the mini USB and micro USB. Right. Next, we have the two coins of actually different materials, and both of them goes for the checking your calibration. So it's basically the calibration samples, right? And to check it properly will help you actually our calibration certificate that we have over here with our documents. And we'll go just step by step checking our packing list. And first of all, here we have the calibration certificate, which you will use with both of these coins. Next, we have radiation safety certificate that we will ask you to read it and study carefully. Next one, we have the warranty certificate, where actually all the data and the terms of your warranty officially stated. Next one, we have the end user questionnaire, and also this is really important for us, and we will ask you to fill it up because it helps us to improve our quality, especially for you. The next thing, we have the quick start guide. This is actually the document that you can use to quickly start your device, which actually additional to this video. And the next, we have your special password, which actually here on the document with your serial number of your device, and the packing list itself. It's actually here on the first page, so it's gonna help you to study and check properly all the documents and all the consumables inside the device. Now let's take a closer look at the analyzer itself. The body of analyzer is made of the durable plastic. Lead glass is built into the lid to monitor the analysis process, as well as to monitor the client's display, which is located on the inside of the measuring chamber. On the front panel of the analyzer, we have a touchscreen display and the printer for printing analysis results. We also have high-precision built-in scales that determine weight down to hundreds of a gram. Now, let's move on to the applications and tasks. Jewellery Lab is designed to work in several key areas. Let's start with the main one, jewelry analysis. This analyzer allows you to determine the chemical composition of jewelry, thus helping to confirm its authenticity and quality. A second important application is to analyze of precious metals. Jewellery Lab can help you determine exactly which precious metals and in what quantities are present in your sample. Last but definitely not least is the field of analyzing antique items. With Jewellery Lab, you can perform non-destructive analysis on antique items, which is essential to confirm their authenticity without damaging the sample. In addition, this analyzer has unique features, such as detecting plating and non-standard alloys, determining the value of an object based on weight, grade, and gold value, generating QR codes for label printing, and reading QR and barcodes with an external camera. Now let's take a look at how the analyzer works. Before we start analyzing, let us turn our spectrometer. Also, as you can see now, the device is not plugged in to any power source. This is basically because we have two ways of powering it. Firstly, with the power cord that we just showed you in the consumables box, and the second way, it can be charged autonomously because it has the special battery that can work at least for 4 hours. Alright, so now let's weight our sample and then we will head up straight to the analysis. And let us take the sample from our consumables box, and we're gonna stick with this one because it's probably the bronze sample, and that's what we actually need for the precious metals calibration. Alright, first of all, we need to press the special icon on the display, so it says weight. And then we need to just reset our weights to 0. So let's just calibrate it a bit. That's it. And now we will have a clear measurement of the weight of this sample. And we have it just a little bit over 10 grams. Right, that's good. Then we press just back here. And then let's position it. Oh no, first of all, we can actually set our collimators here with the sample, and on this exact device we have 5 different sizes of collimators, and I think as our device will just cover all the measurement window area, we can stick with the biggest one is a 6.5 millimeters in diameter. So next step is to position our sample as we are totally ready for the measurement. And as soon as you put the lid back, the device starts measuring itself. But you actually can change the settings and it will measure only when you press the start button. And we finally get the result. So let's check it out. Well, first and leading element as we expected, it's copper, and it consists of 82.3% of our sample. The next one is lead, and the concentration of it is 784. The next one is zinc, it's almost 5%, 4.91. Then we have tin, it's actually 4.5, almost 4.5, 4, 5, and 3. And then nickelum, and the concentration is really small, but it's present here in a sample, just a little less than 0.5%, 0.41. Alright, and we're done with our analysis, and now let's print the receipt. So just for this, we need to press this printer button. Alright, and here we get the reliable and accurate result and for our analysis. As you can see here, we position the weight of the sample and then the elemental composition right over here. Also, our professionals in laboratory can put your logo here, so you will have the logo of your company on each receipt. So, as we have seen today, Jewellery Lab is more than just an analyzer. It is a high-tech solution for analyzing jewelry and precious metals. Let's summarize the results. Firstly, the device has built-in high-precision scales, which allows not only to analyze but also weight in samples and automatically determine their value. Second, the functionality of cutting detection gives us the ability to see a complete picture of the composition of the product. Third, the availability of 5 different collimators with diameters ranging from 0.5 mm to 6.5 makes this instrument flexible for analysis spot of different sizes. Finally, this device can operate on either main power or built-in battery, which is especially convenient for working in locations where there is no access to main power. This analyzer also has unique features such as detection of plating and non-standard alloys, determining of objects' value based on weight, grade, and gold value, QR code generation for label printing, QR and barcode reading by an external camera. In addition, our analyzers have features that fundamentally differentiate them from others. First, the spectrometer is 4 times faster than comparable analyzers. This provides twice the precision and detection limits. Second, lifelong stability of energy calibration. Unlike similar devices, there is no need to perform energy calibration every time the instrument is switched on and in the future when it's used. Calibration automatically adjusts to compensate for fluctuations in temperature, pressure, and other factors. All these features are made to provide you with the most accurate, fast, and convenient analytical solutions. If you would like to get more information about Jewellery Lab and its features, you can contact our managers by phone or write to our email that you can see on a screen. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it. Don't miss the next reviews and interesting videos. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell to receive notifications about new videos. Stay tuned and see you soon.